Okay, children, let us take another problem, that is problem number 7 from exercise 10.3. See here a pen stand. There you can observe a pen stand here, and it is made up of wood. In the shape of, it is in the shape of, can you observe the shape here? Yes, it is cuboid, and there are some depressions. 3 depressions are there that to hold pens. So these 3 depressions are in the shape of the cone. These 3 depressions are in the shape of the cone, and also measurements are also given, children. Dimensions of the cuboid are given as 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. So this you can take them as length into breadth into height. The radius of each depression is here 0.5 centimeters, and also depth is 1.4 centimeters to hold the pens. So what you need to find out here is, we need to find out the volume of the wood in the entire stand. We know these 3 are the conical depressions, means this place will remain empty, and so there will be no wood in these particular conical depressions, and remaining complete stand is made up of wood. So to know exactly how much wood is there, we need to find out the volume of the uh, complete cuboid first, and then volume of 3 conical depressions. So after subtracting volume of conical depressions from the volume of the cuboid, we are going to get the volume of the wood present in the given pen stand. Okay, let us solve. To find the volume of wood, we need to find out the volume of cuboid. Then we need to subtract volume of 3 conical depressions from the volume of the cuboid. So what is the formula? First of all, we need to find the volume of cuboid. So L into B into H. It is given as 15 centimeters into 10 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. So we can calculate 150 into 3.5. Okay. 5 5 is 25, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 0, 3 5 is 15, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So 525.0. So 525.0 centimeter cube is the volume of the complete cuboid. Now we are going to find out the volume of the each conical depression. Volume of one conical depression is, volume of one conical depression, we know the formula. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what is r? Is it given in the problem or not? Let us check in the problem. Yes, radius is given as 0.5 centimeters. And also, what is the other measurement given? It is depth. Depth is nothing but height. Here, depth or height is how much, children? 1.4 centimeters. So just to do the calculation, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is r, children? 0.5 into 0.5. What is h again? 1.4. So do the calculation, children. 7 ones are 0.2. After doing complete calculation, 22 into 2.5 into 0.2 by 3. 2 is 4.4 to 25. 25, 20, 22, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 0 into Z10 plus 2, 11. So there are 2 decimal points are there. So you can get it as 1.1 by 3 centimeter cube. 1.1 by 3 centimeter cube. So how many conical depressions are there? 3 conical depressions are there. So multiply volume, you'll get the, okay, let us multiply volume of 3 conical depressions is equals to 3 into 1.1 by 3. So 1.1 centimeter cube. So to find the volume of wood in the pen stand, just subtract the volume of 3 conical depressions from volume of the cuboid. So volume of wood is equals to 525 minus 1.1. So you are going to get 523.9 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the wood that remained in the pen stand after subtracting the volume of 3 conical depressions. So in this way we need to solve the problems, children. I hope you understand all the problems and practice well and try to solve the remaining problems by using this concept. Thank you.